today we'll be doing an experiment about no entry to this bottle. Here's what you need. Firstly, lay the bottle on the table like this. Next, roll the paper into a small ball. Lastly, place it in the opening of the bottle and blow it inside. The faster the air you blow, the lower the pressure inside of the bottle. This is because the space inside the bottle is bigger. Therefore, a combination of slower air speed and increase in pressure made the paper ball jump back out of the bottle. That's all for our experiment today. Thank you and bye!